resources you can use to learn Dart. 1. Dart documentation. The official documentation for Dart is a great place to start learning the language. It includes a tutorial, language tour, and API reference, as well as guides on specific topics such as asynchronous programming, testing, and more. 2. Flutter documentation. While Flutter is a mobile app development framework, it uses Dart as its programming language, so the Flutter documentation can also be a valuable resource for learning Dart. The documentation includes a Getting Started guide, code labs, and samples, as well as detailed explanations of Flutter widgets and APIs. 3. DartPad. DartPad is an online editor and REPL, Read-Eval-Print Loop, for Dart. It allows you to write and run Dart code directly in your web browser, making it easy to experiment and learn the language. 4. Udacity course. Udacity offers a free online course called Intro to Flutter that teaches both Flutter and Dart. The course includes video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on projects, and is designed for beginners with no prior experience in either Flutter or Dart. 5. The Dart Team's YouTube channel. The Dart team at Google maintains a YouTube channel with a variety of videos and tutorials on Dart and Flutter. The channel includes recordings of talks and presentations from Dart conferences and events, as well as tutorials and tips from the Dart team themselves. These are just a few resources you can use to learn Dart. There are many other blogs, books, and online courses available as well, so find the one that works best for you and start learning.